Mince pie's got mince meat in, which has nothing to do with meat. It's actually a mix of apple and carrots and sultanas and orange and lemon. These are all vegetarian as well, so you can eat them. And they are very, very traditional Christmas, aren't they? First we need pastry. Who knows what's in pastry? Yes. What's in pastry? How do we make pastry?
You have flour, butter, eggs, and sugar.
Yeah, so what do we do to start pastry off? Yes.
Flour.
Good. Put the flour in a bowl.
And then you crack the eggs.
No. Flour's right, so yeah.
Water.
We would have added water, but not yet. So in my bowl, I've got flour and I've got something else.
Sugar. Butter.
Butter. Normally, this you'd be going like this. What do we call that?
Oh, I love doing
Buttering.
What do we call it? No,
Roughing.
not roughing.
Fingering. Ringing.
Rubbing it. Can you show me please how you rub in with your... And what's the secret about good rubbing in?
You don't get any flour in your palm.
No flour on this bit here, because this bit's warm, we don't want to melt it. This is cheating, because there's lots of this, and we've got to make lots of pastry. I thought I'd use the machine. After our pastry is all rubbed in, how will we know it's all rubbed in? How will we know it's ready? What will it look like? Exactly, it will look like breadcrumbs, well done. And when it's all like breadcrumbs, that's when we need to add some liquid to it. So, what liquid do you think we're going to add?
Milk.
It's not milk. Good try milk, maybe. Water. Yes, often you add egg, and then the egg might not be enough liquid, so we'll need to add something else as well.
Milk.
Yes, some water. So I've got some cold water. To make really good pastry, you need to make sure you use really cold water. So we're rubbing our fat into our flour. It's really easy to remember how much pastry, how much you need, because however you use half fat to flour. If I use 250 butter, how much flour would I use?
500.
Brilliant. And that's what's in here. So I think that's all just about, yeah, that's all quite nicely made into breadcrumbs. I've already added a bit of salt and a bit of sugar to it. And now hopefully this will make into a lovely dough. Now, to be really, really good at making mince pies, what we should really do is leave this to have a little bit of a rest, rather than rolling that out straight away. Because all the strands of everything in that flour are being stretched and battered around. So I'm not going to use that one quite yet. I'm going to use some pastry I made earlier on. Now, you might find your pastries a little bit sticky, so we might need to use something to stop it sticking. Any good ideas?
Flour.
A bit of flour on. We have got some flour shakers as well. Now, if you use too much flour, it can actually go too dry. So get some on my rolling pin, some on here. And you don't need to knead it too much, because if you knead it too much, it makes the pastry a bit tough. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to be rolling out your pastry. Get it so it's nice and thin. And then we're going to use this one. Now this one fits this pretty nicely. Okay, so what we're going to do is, if you just cut in the middle and then roll it all out, it means you're bothering your pastry an awful lot. We need to try not to bother our pastry too much. So I'm going to cut as many as I can in one go. Now the secret good mince pies, what is it? Is to make sure that you've got a good boat there and none of the mince pie mixture is going to reach out the edge and leak out. Because if it leaks out, it sticks it to the tin, and then you can't get them out of the tin properly, and you don't end up with mince pies, you end up with crumbs. Why are you whispering? We'll probably not need a huge amount of mince meat. Push it in. And what you can do is just cut a little circle just to go on the top. That's traditional, like these ones here. But I always think it's a bit nice to cook something a bit Christmassy, so I may cut a little star.